What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Away with the playbook. Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. NVIDIA just tanked. Here is why. Don't miss out on this opportunity. It's something like that. Y'all read the title, though. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly stock analysis. We also post weekly Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum, as well as weekly altcoin analysis, as well as we day trade over here. So we live stream a live trade every day, London session 3 and EST on this very same channel over here. On this investment side, in this investment channel, we teach you how to make passive income as well as active income when it comes to investing on the charts. So you already know, first thing we got to do is give a special shout out to the members and students. Price has been very rangy and slow the past couple weeks, but we are still up for the month, which is the ultimate goal. We absolutely dominated last year, wrapping up Q4, 41 wins, only 4 losses in a span of 3 months, giving us a 91% win rate. We're doing absolutely good this month as well. Only taking 2 losses this month so far. You can see how we started off this month though. Went 3-1 last week, and we're like 2-1 this week. We went 4-0 the week before, 6-0 the week before that. Yeah, 3-1, 6-0. And then to start off the month, we went 3-0. So yeah, first link in the description to see all that stuff. So this video, we're going to talk about the video. We're going to explain why price retraced again. Tanking and retracing is 2 completely different things. I'm going to say this over and over again to counteract the hundreds if not thousands of videos that get posted every time a crypto or a stock retraces. Again, retracements are a part of the game. Price just can't forever shoot up. Price just can't forever shoot down, especially when it comes to NVIDIA, right? Because we look at this time last year, right at the end of January, and then we look at this time last year, January, right? We can see that price has been an uptrend and extremely bullish since January, right? Before 2024 started. Well, this is 2023. So let's go to actual 2024. There we go. Right. So that's even more of a reason why don't freak out. So for the past 2 years, price has been extremely bullish, right? It started off last year this time at $49.50. It's now at $124 at the time to record video. So it doubled from the year prior. And then the year prior to that, it doubled as well. Actually, it 3x. So it's been an extremely bullish momentum, extremely strong uptrend literally since this came out, to be honest, like since 2015. But again, retracements are natural. Price just can't forever shoot up. Price just can't forever shoot down, which is why it's so important to understand not only how to read the charts, but what's going on in the charts at all times. Don't just invest in stuff because people are telling you to invest in it. Understand why you should invest in it. You get what I'm saying? But NVIDIA is actually at a perfect spot for a buy position. So this video, we're going to be talking about specific price points I recommend paying attention to, as well as my analysis and projection for NVIDIA. So again, like I said, right now it's currently chilling at $124, $125. But as you can see off this key price level right here, it did a perfect retracement off this previous resistance level. And now we're about to see if it can hold this previous resistance level as a support level. All right. Another thing I want to point out is what you'll notice when we go into the smaller time frame. Again, you see how prior to this push, price failed to hold this level as support, tried again, failed to hold this level as support, tried again, failed to hold this level as support. It just broke through it. So off this retest, we're going to see if we can solidify and maintain and respect this level as support. Another thing I want to point out again is this gap. All right, we see gaps. They're going to get filled eventually. Now, that doesn't mean that's going to happen next week. Doesn't mean it's going to happen tomorrow. Obviously, tomorrow's the weekend. But just know, short-term basis, that gaps are going to get filled eventually. A perfect example is what we saw earlier this week with NAS 100. Those that was in the live stream, remember I told you about this gap that we had caused at the beginning of the week. And have the downtrend didn't start, we was going to see that gap get filled up. Now we look at the end of the week. Again, this was Friday last week, going into Sunday. And then now look, we're at the end of the week and we're already halfway through that gap. So we're going to see, we got some news later on today too. So we're going to see if the news is going to fill the rest of that gap up or not, right? But besides the gap, just simply fundamentals. Again, we're waiting to see if we can respect this level as support. So if price can hold 125 as support, we can see price push back up to 138, 140, but it's going to need to hold 140 as support in order for us to see price go back up to 150, 155. Now, if it fails to hold 125 as support, we can possibly see a reversal retracement going down to 105, if not down to $90. Again, do not freak out. You want to buy these things when they're on sale. The reason why y'all don't make a lot of profits or y'all be freaking out is because y'all be trying to buy things after already did a 20, 30, 50% gain. You want to buy things where they're on a 10, 20, 30, 40% decrease, 40% sale. That way, if you buy when it's 20% down and it even goes back up to the previous high, you're guaranteed to make money, versus you buy at the peak, it's going to retrace after a pump up. Retracements do. So again, you want to buy on the retracements, y'all. Hope this video helps y'all out. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on the free signal free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. Again, we've been absolutely killing and dominating these markets. It's been a little bit slow this past couple weeks, but we've been talking and explaining about it and talking about it during the last session lives. But of course, before you make a decision, man, let me tell you a little about those details. Advanced play signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.